Hi there, Carly here with Recreational Power Sports. Here to take you through a new pre-owned unit that we just got in. So this here is a 2020 Avalon GS 2385 rear fish. So it is a 23-foot Tritoon, 8.5 feet wide, and it is the rear fish setup. So I'm going to take you through inside and outside, and I'll start off with the trailer here. So with this is on a Shorelander trailer. So we do like to put our boats under the Shorelanders, very nice trailers. This is the same year as the boat. It is the 2020. It does have the rock guard material on it, which just helps keep the trailer looking nicer longer. We do have your brakes on it, of course, your tongue jack and your winch. And the nice thing with the Shorelander trailers is that it does have this ladder. So the ladder is really nice for getting in and off while it is trailered. So onto the boat itself. So again, this is a 2020, the GS. So it has some really nice upgrades in it. Again, a Tritoon. It is the nice blue exterior. It does have a nice big Bimini on it that is blue as well. So you can see from the outside, there's no real dents or any damage to the walls themselves. They're in excellent condition and no damage to the tunes themselves. This trailer is also a tandem axle trailer. So very nice trailer under this boat. We do have the nice rear boarding ladder. So nice big long ladder, 4-step. We also have our tow bar on it, and this is paired with a Mercury 115 Pro XS. Nice stainless steel prop on it. This guy has been through the shop, and there is about 212 hours on this motor. So it's still got lots of life in it, and it has, like I mentioned, been through the shop, fully serviced. This guy is ready to go. So coming down this side here, you can see on this side just what great shape the tunes are in. The only real thing of note here is kind of right at the back, a little bit of scuffing. So just want to make you guys aware of that before you come down. But no damage to the walls, no damage to the tunes. These are in really, really great condition. Let's hop inside and check out the interior. So inside here, you can see just what a great layout Avalon has. This boat, the fabrics are in excellent condition. There's no rips or tears or anything. It does have the nice beige seats with the bronze accents on them. And then under the seats is Avalon's aluminum bases. So the nice thing with the aluminum bases is it creates really great airflow and gives you lots of room, tons of storage underneath all of the seats. We do have a pop-up change room here. So I will show you that here in just a minute. And then as well, we do have a side entry gate. So this is the pop-up change room with it. So the way that it goes in is that it just fits into the two holes here, and then essentially you've got your nice change room space to be able to use it. So it's a really nice big pop-up change room, super nice to use, lots of extra room for using it for a porta potty or just to do a quick change on the water. So as well, on the back of this bench here, we do have a washdown kit as well. So the nice thing with the washdown is that it just helps with when you're on the water all day, it pumps the water from the lake and you can just wash down the boat. So makes it really nice to just have everything cleaned up before you get off the water. We've got the nice L bench here, so just nice seating area, lots of room for everything. And then we do have the backspace here, which I'm going to get into just a little bit more. So at the helm here as well, we've got the really nice captain's chair, super, super comfortable. And as well, we do have our tilt steering on this guy, so it just makes it really nice for getting in and out of the driver's seat. We've got our controls here, and of course, just all of our switches and our gauges. So at the back here, this is what makes this boat really awesome. It is the rear fish. So very similar to the ones that we currently have listed. Again, it is the 2020 model. So we have the nice big table here. You do have your measuring here. So if you want to measure your fish. As well, we've got the nice big live well. You've got a smaller live well on this side. Under here, you do have the access to everything. And then on this side here, we do have some baits, tackle storage. We've got the nice upgraded fishing seats in the back. So very similar to the captain's chairs, super comfortable. They do swivel. As well, we do have our rear gates. So with the rear gates, it just makes it really nice for getting on and off. If you do need to access this and you're not stepping over each other while you're fishing. Back here, we have our third live well. So 2 in the table and 1 back here, as well as some rod holders. And then we do have our ski bar. So you could use this for your water sports as well as fishing. It's a really multi-use boat. Nice big Bimini on it. Again, it is powered with the 115 horsepower. This also does come with the mooring cover. So for everything that you see here, you can come and check it out at recreationalpowersports.com or come on down to the dealership. We'd love to show you this boat.